Beneath the emerald canopy of Guatemala's jungles, a hidden metropolis has lain undetected for centuries, until last year, when LIDAR scans revealed 60,000 ancient structures buried beneath the trees. These aren't scattered ruins, they are the fingerprints of a civilization that built cities as complex as any in the ancient world. For decades, we thought the Maya thrived in isolated villages. Now, this tech is proving they engineered entire urban networks, challenging everything we knew about their society. This isn't just about the past, it's a revolution in how we uncover it. With tools that read landscapes like X-rays, archaeologists are rewriting history at lightning speed. But what else is buried in the earth, waiting to shock us? From DNA unlocking ancestral secrets to AI decoding lost languages, modern tech is peeling back time's layers, revealing not just ancient lives, but blueprints for human ingenuity. What if the answers to today's challenges lie in the innovations of those who came before? Let's start with the jungle's buried cities and the truths they're finally whispering. In 2010, genetic analysis of Tutankhamun's mummy uncovered a startling truth. The Boy King carried markers linking him to Nubian ancestry, reshaping our understanding of ancient Egypt's genetic tapestry. Researchers found he inherited traits from both his father, Akhenaten, and a mother closely related to him, likely siblings, a practice reflecting royal lineage strategies. This discovery dismantled long-held Eurocentric myths framing ancient Egyptians as isolated from sub-Saharan Africa. Consider the broader impact. DNA sequencing of over 100 mummified remains from Abusir el-Melek revealed genetic continuity between these ancient populations and modern Nubians, Sudanese, and Copts. Meanwhile, machine learning algorithms now decode inscriptions at unprecedented speeds, recently clarifying 12% more of Linear B's vocabulary in a single year. Yet beneath Central America's jungles, LIDAR scans have exposed 60,000 previously unknown Maya structures, hinting at civilizations far more complex than colonial records suggested. These tools don't just recover the past, they rewrite it. But what happens when data meets the Earth itself? In the heart of Carthage, 3D printing has revived 3,000-year-old Phoenician pottery, allowing scholars to study delicate originals without risk. By scanning fragments, researchers create precise replicas, preserving artifacts while enabling tactile exploration. This method aligns with broader efforts. Archaeologists now use LIDAR to uncover hidden cities, like the 60,000 structures revealed in the Maya lowlands. While LIDAR maps vast landscapes, 3D printing focuses on intimate details, ensuring fragile relics endure. A recent study highlighted how these replicas aid in analyzing craftsmanship, merging tactile and digital analysis. As scanners grow precise, the past becomes interactive. The next frontier? Deciphering ancient scripts with machine learning. Let's delve into how algorithms are unlocking lost languages. Linear A, the undeciphered script of Minoan Crete, has baffled scholars for over a century. But recent breakthroughs suggest artificial intelligence might hold the key. A 2023 study published in Science Advances revealed that machine learning algorithms trained on thousands of linear A inscriptions detected statistical patterns hinting at phonetic elements, challenging earlier assumptions that the script was purely symbolic. These algorithms, designed to recognize linguistic structures, identified recurring symbol clusters similar to syllabic systems in known scripts like Linear B. Meanwhile, across the globe, LIDAR technology is peeling back jungle canopies to expose sprawling Maya cities, their pyramids and plazas hidden for millennia. While these technologies operate in different domains, both exemplify how data-driven approaches are rewriting ancient histories. As these algorithms refine their models, they may soon bridge the gap between the known and the mysterious, ushering us into the next frontier of archaeological discovery. Beneath Rome's ancient streets, ground-penetrating radar has unveiled a 2-mile labyrinth of forgotten catacombs along the Via Appia. This underground network, previously invisible to traditional methods, highlights how modern tech reshapes archaeology. Consider the Maya. LIDAR scans have pierced dense jungle canopies, revealing sprawling cities hidden under Central American jungles, rewriting our maps of the civilization. A recent study found over 60,000 previously unknown structures in just 3 days of scanning. Meanwhile, DNA analysis of skeletal remains from Tutankhamun's tomb has traced royal lineages, linking ancient Egyptians to modern populations. Each innovation peels back layers of history. As we explore these discoveries, the next question emerges. How do we preserve what we find? The answers lie in the tools we've yet to imagine. Beneath Cambodia's dense jungle canopy, LIDAR scans have unveiled a sprawling metropolis, Angkor's hydraulic city, spanning 700 square miles. This revelation, a recent breakthrough, challenges long-held myths of the Khmer Empire's sudden collapse. Instead of abandonment, the data suggests a sophisticated urban network managed water resources across seasons, with canals and reservoirs engineered to sustain millions. Consider ground-penetrating radar. It mapped hidden tunnels and causeways, revealing a city that expanded for centuries, not declined. Researchers say these findings reframe Angkor not as a victim of environmental disaster, but as an adaptive civilization outpacing its time. Take the Maya lowlands. Similar LIDAR work there exposed 60,000 previously unknown structures, proving such tech reshapes our understanding globally. Here in Cambodia, every laser pulse peels back layers of history, turning myths into maps. As we turn our lens to DNA's silent stories, the past speaks louder than ever. Beneath the soil of Viking burial sites in Norway, strontium isotope analysis has rewritten narratives of medieval migration. By comparing tooth enamel ratios to local bedrock signatures, researchers found 20% of individuals had origins over 1,000 kilometers away, evidence not of raiders, but traders. These findings align with DNA studies of Tutankhamun's remains, which revealed genetic ties to Nubian populations, mapping millennia-old trade routes across the Nile. Consider how this contrasts with earlier assumptions: Vikings as mere pillagers, Egyptians as isolated dynasts. Modern labs now treat bones as data repositories, decoding life stories once lost to time. A recent study in antiquity highlighted how such isotopic fingerprints trace not just movement, but dietary shifts and settlement patterns. As algorithms refine these analyses, they bridge gaps between artifact and ancestry. This scientific precision reshapes our maps of human connection, laying groundwork for technologies like LIDAR, which soon pierced jungles to reveal cities hidden beneath leaves. Beneath the Aegean Sea, a 3,500-year-old marble causeway has emerged from the depths, challenging assumptions about Minoan engineering. Underwater, sonar scans revealed this submerged structure linking Crete to a vanished island, suggesting the civilization built maritime pathways as deliberately as Roman roads. Researchers estimate the causeway could have spanned over 200 meters, its precise alignment hinting at advanced hydrological planning. Consider how this discovery parallels LIDAR role in unearthing Mayan cities. Just as laser imaging pierced Guatemalan jungles to expose 60,000 previously unknown structures, sonar is now peeling back ocean layers to rewrite Bronze Age history. The Minoans, long celebrated for their seafaring prowess, may have engineered coastal infrastructure to withstand earthquakes and rising seas, proof of foresight rivaling modern coastal cities. As sonar technology sharpens, more submerged networks might emerge, reshaping our maps of ancient connectivity. But the tools reshaping archaeology don't stop there. Next, we turn to DNA's silent stories buried in royal tombs. In Mesopotamia, satellite archaeologists are mapping ziggurats from orbit, yet their work has sparked debate. Critics argue that bypassing local experts risks misreading centuries of cultural context. Consider LIDAR's success in the Guatemalan jungle, where the technology revealed 60,000 previously unknown Mayan structures hidden beneath dense canopy. Such breakthroughs highlight tech's potential, but they also underscore a key challenge. Without on-the-ground collaboration, even the most advanced tools can overlook nuanced meanings. For instance, machine learning algorithms now analyze ancient inscriptions at unprecedented speeds, yet scripts like Linear A remain undeciphered, partly because context matters as much as data. In Iraq, some scholars warn that satellite data alone cannot capture the oral histories and regional nuances that local teams provide. Balancing innovation with tradition isn't just about methods, it's about whose knowledge shapes our understanding of the past. But as technology evolves, so too must our approach to collaboration, ensuring ancient voices aren't lost in the digital rush. In the shadow of Mount Vesuvius, augmented reality is breathing life back into Pompeii's streets. Thermal imaging scans of buried walls have revealed traces of pigments once vibrant across entire facades, frescoes that didn't just decorate, but animated public spaces with mythic scenes and dynamic patterns. A recent study found that these reconstructions, layered through AR headsets, let users walk streets where every building tells a story, from gladiatorial contests to celestial maps. Consider the Temple of Apollo, once a drab ruin, now restored in digital detail to show how its walls shimmered with gold-leafed gods. Meanwhile, in Guatemala's jungles, LIDAR technology has pierced dense canopies to uncover hidden structures. Ancient Maya cities sprawling across 2,000 acres, their causeways and plazas invisible to traditional methods. These tools don't just revive the past, they challenge our understanding of ancient urban planning. As algorithms decode scripts and 3D printers replicate fragile relics, archaeology becomes a bridge between eras. But Pompeii's animated walls remind us, technology doesn't just uncover history, it returns it to motion, inviting us to step inside lives long stilled. In 2023, researchers trained deep learning models on thousands of Indus Valley seals, uncovering statistical patterns mirroring those in linguistic scripts. This suggests the symbols may not just be symbolic, but a lost proto-writing system. Consider Linear A. Machine learning algorithms analyzing its inscriptions have already revealed structural similarities to known languages, offering a roadmap for decipherment. While the Indus script remains undeciphered, these models detected non-random sequences, hinting at syntax. Take 3D printing, which lets archaeologists recreate fragile artifacts, allowing detailed study without risking damage. These tools bridge millennia, transforming how we decode the past. As technology advances, even the most enigmatic scripts may soon yield their secrets, paving the way for the next breakthroughs in understanding ancient civilizations. Beneath the Sahara's endless dunes, a hidden past emerges. Multispectral drone imaging has exposed 40,000 ancient wells in Libya, evidence the desert once teemed with life. These structures, now buried, trace a network that linked sub-Saharan Africa to Mediterranean trade routes. A recent study found this density of wells suggests the region supported complex societies, overturning assumptions about the Sahara's role in antiquity. Consider LIDAR parallel impact. In Guatemala, it peeled back jungle canopies to reveal 60,000 Maya structures, reshaping our understanding of their urban scale. Similarly, ground-penetrating radar in Egypt recently mapped 300 previously unknown tombs beneath Giza, proving modern tech can peer where human hands cannot. The Sahara's wells, like these discoveries, challenge narratives of desolation, revealing instead a cradle of commerce. As drones skim dunes, they bridge eras, their sensors decoding echoes of ancient markets. This revolution extends beyond sand. In Tutankhamun's tomb, DNA analysis now traces pharaonic lineages to modern populations. The tools of today are rewriting history's first chapters. Quantum computing is now simulating how ancient materials degraded over centuries, offering a digital time machine for lost technologies. Take Damascus steel, famed for its sharpness and patterns, whose secret recipe vanished centuries ago. By modeling atomic structures, researchers are reconstructing its forging process, which combined iron and trace elements like vanadium. Meanwhile, machine learning algorithms have analyzed thousands of linear B tablets, accelerating translations that once took decades. These tools don't just preserve the past, they revive it. As quantum simulations grow precise, they could unlock other mysteries, from Roman concrete's durability to Mayan city planning hidden under jungles. The future of archaeology isn't just digging deeper, it's computing smarter. Up next, how these innovations are reshaping our understanding of ancient civilizations. Beneath Guatemala's dense jungles, LIDAR scans have revealed sprawling cities hidden for centuries, challenging assumptions about the Maya's urban scale. Researchers mapped over 60,000 human-made features, roads, pyramids, reservoirs, in just weeks, a task that would have taken decades by hand. Meanwhile, DNA extracted from Tutankhamun's mummified remains traces his lineage to Nubian ancestry, rewriting narratives about ancient Egyptian migration. These discoveries aren't isolated, they're part of a paradigm shift. Machine learning now deciphers linear scripts, while 3D printed replicas let scholars handle fragile artifacts safely. Ground-penetrating radar recently uncovered a network of 13th century tunnels beneath Paris, unseen since the Middle Ages. Each breakthrough stitches together threads of humanity's shared story, proving history is not static but a living tapestry. As we decode the past, your perspective matters. Share your thoughts on how technology might next reshape what we know, because the future of archaeology is being written in real time.